So my sister found this thing on Trinity. Oh my god, the little demon here. I'm gonna check the thing. I'm gonna check the champ thing. My dog and see how he reacts. Okay, Ziggy, come here. Come here. My other dog in there. Calm. No, come. Okay, sit. Okay. Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son into a blender. Crispy, juicy, tender. Oh God! I'm being attacked. He's attacking me. No! I think it worked. He's attacking me. Okay, I'm gonna just. Ow! That hurt! You bit me! I'm gonna continue. Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son into a blender. Okay, we have to go. Oh my God! Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son into a blender. Oh. Okay, stand on the chair. Get away from me. Crispy, juicy, tender. What are you doing? Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son into a blender. Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son. Hello. How are you? Ow. No bite. He's legit. Look at this dude. Oh. Do not stand on chairs, children. And we just fell backwards off of the chair. Crispy, stop! Crispy, juicy, tender. Stop! Stop it! Here, take a toy or two on while I chant a ritual. Take it. If you say calm, I'll give you a treat. Crispy, juicy, tender. I just threw my newborn son into a blender. Okay. You stayed calm for that one time I changed it. You want a treat, you demon? Sit. Hold on. No, sit. 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 Paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Good boy. Take it. Take it. He's slowly sliding. He's eating it. Socks. Take treat. Take it. Okay. Well, excuse me, sir. No more treats for you. Well, that's how you summon a demon, children.